Guys, we are just walking down. As you can see, it's a typical back alley street. It's pretty big. It's pretty busy with a lot of scooters up and down. But Ace and I are heading out to the main street to meet up with our dive instructor. And they're gonna pick us up, and we're off to our dive site. 2 more dives today. Hopefully the weather stays nice. You can see all this is pretty hustling, bustling. Back here, today, and it's actually blue sky, or right there, blue sky. For once, it's not rainy. Oh, you're not getting on me, buddy. What up, guys? We made it to, I think it's Ahmed Port. We are currently just sorting things out, some of mid-work, and you know, getting the dive gear onto the boat. As you can see, dive gear, our boat's right there, and we're gonna head out on a 30-minute boat ride to the dive site. And it's pretty sunny. I forgot my sunglasses, but it's pretty nice here. This is it's a pretty big port. Let me show you over there in the back. All the boats are over there. You can take day tours down to Gili Island. I know there's a few signs for Gili Island, so I'm assuming it's Gili Island. But who knows? Maybe it could be other islands. But so far so good. The day is nice and hot. You know. Hopefully we see something nice, but it doesn't matter as long as you get into the water and do some diving, get some experience, and it'll be a lot of fun. Yeah, so Ace is doing his admin work, and all right, see you guys underwater. We are done diving for the day, heading back to the villa, and probably just gonna chill. Ace survived again, and yeah, we're just stuck in traffic. Not as bad as yesterday, so we're getting there, making our way back. It's nice and slow.
This isn't a challenge on YouTube, is it?
There will be. Ready?
Okay, just peel it off. Yeah.
And this is, here we have Ace trying this snake egg fruit.
Interesting.
But Look at her. This is our fruits.
Oh,
Papaya
so good.
and dragon fruit.
You're not allergic to anything, right?
No.
Okay.
Let's rip it up.
Come on.
Yeah, man.
Yep, that's how
You got it. You got it. Oh, this is a big one.
we should buy some more of these actually.
I didn't see it today.
Interesting. Looks like garlic.
Yeah, bite it.
Bite it.
Oh, that one doesn't have a seed in it.
Because this is a small piece, right?
How is it? Hot?
Oh, put the whole thing in your mouth.
Eat the whole thing.
How do you like it?
It's not bad.
Not bad, eh?
But the first taste is kind of interesting, right?
It was, yeah. It was pungent.
Mm-hmm. And it's sweet.
Yep. And the sweetness kicks in afterwards.
Mm-hmm.
It's really, really, really a sharp sweet. Interesting. What's that on the inside that gives it the darker color?
That's a seed.
Oh, really?
What's that?
Did I kick you?
That's okay.